The Company Values Generator AI is one of the most talked about new tools, and today I'm diving into the 7 most important things you need to know about this software. By the end of this review, you'll know whether it's worth your time, and you can even try it completely free from the first link below. Stick around until the end because I'll be revealing a special insight into how it can truly transform your business. First, let's get into what this software actually does. The Company Values Generator AI is a cutting-edge tool designed to help businesses define their core values in seconds. Whether you're a startup or an established brand, this software uses AI to analyze your existing brand ethos and then generates a list of values that resonate with your company's mission. It's a perfect tool for companies looking to strengthen their internal culture and ensure their values align with their business goals. One of the key features of this AI is its ability to personalize the values generated. This isn't a generic template, it's tailored based on input that reflects the unique character of your company. Whether you're looking for values that emphasize innovation, integrity, or teamwork, this software can generate a list that reflects your specific needs. Another aspect worth mentioning is how quickly the Company Values Generator AI works. With just a few clicks, you can generate values in real time, making this tool extremely efficient. Gone are the days of spending hours or even days brainstorming value statements. In mere minutes, you'll have a strong foundation for your company culture. Moreover, the software is intuitive with an easy-to-use interface that doesn't require any prior experience. Even if you're not a tech expert, you can navigate through it effortlessly. This is a huge plus for busy business owners who want results fast without any unnecessary complexity. If you're wondering about the flexibility of this tool, the Company Values Generator AI excels here as well. After the AI generates a list of values, you can tweak them or ask for more iterations. It's like having a personal branding expert working on your company values, constantly fine-tuning them until they match your vision perfectly. Now, one of the most exciting features of the Company Values Generator AI is its scalability. Whether you have a small team or hundreds of employees, this software adapts to businesses of all sizes. And because it works seamlessly with other business management tools, you won't have to worry about integration issues when scaling your operations. You also get access to real-time feedback on how the generated values can impact your team's performance and employee engagement. This is incredibly valuable for leaders who want to measure the effectiveness of their values, ensuring they're not just words on paper but principles that actually guide decision-making and company culture. Finally, it's important to mention that you can try the Company Values Generator AI for free. So if you're on the fence about whether this tool will work for you, there's no risk in giving it a shot. You can explore its capabilities and see for yourself how it can benefit your business. After testing thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say that the Company Values Generator AI stands out as one of the best. It's powerful, customizable, and efficient, ideal for anyone serious about strengthening their business's core values. As promised, I have my recommended AI software options listed in the description below, including tools you can try for free. Don't forget to check them out if you're looking for more AI solutions to enhance your business operations.